HAIs, healthcare-associated infections. They're an invisible threat taking lives and costing billions. It's estimated that at any given time, about 1 in 20 inpatients has an infection related to hospital care. While many healthcare facilities clean with disposable products, it's not always effective or efficient, and it hasn't been proven to remove microbes until now. Introducing the Rubbermaid HYGEN Disposable Microfiber System. With an innovative disposable microfiber system, proven to remove 99.99% of human coronavirus OC43, based on third-party testing with water only on VCT surface, not tested versus COVID-19. The Rubbermaid HYGEN Disposable Microfiber System features innovative microbe-removing technology with microfiber threads knitted into every cloth and mob. As this demonstration shows, traditional disposable products can't effectively remove microbes from the surface. Take a closer look. As you can see, Rubbermaid HYGEN's innovative microbe-removing technology removes up to 99.99% of microbes to help stop the chain of infection. It is advanced microfiber that gives you built-in microbe-removing power and eliminates the risk of cross-transmission from patient room to patient room, along with superior cleaning performance, cleaning more using less, removing dirt instead of smearing, making it easier for you and your staff to get the job done. Compatible with the Rubbermaid Pulse Microfiber Floor Cleaning System and the Rubbermaid HYGEN Charging Bucket System. It is safe for use with hydrogen peroxide, quat and chlorine bleach too. From healthcare, office buildings and retail, to schools, food service and hospitality. Wherever you need to maintain a healthy, safe environment, the Rubbermaid HYGEN Disposable Microfiber System is ready to help you win the fight against infection. Don't just kill microbes, remove them.